So here's a really puzzling question, and it's had me scratching my head for a long time. I'm going to push these coaches through. These are Bachmann Network South East coaches. Pretty much new, I believe. I bought them second-hand, but they don't appear to have had a lot of running. Now I'm going to push them through this curve. Now watch around here. The first one's fine, second one's fine, but the third one, so there's the first one, second one, I'm just pushing them real gently. The third one, any second now, there. Don't know if you saw that, but it's derailed. So I'm just going to put it back on the rails, pull it back a bit, push it through again really slowly, really slow, any second now, wait for it, there. Derails every single time. Put it back on the rails, it's all on the rails now. And it's fine. Fine through the rest of the curve. If I go the other way, at speed, it's fine. But as soon as you go slowly on this curve, every single time, a bit faster, falls off. Oops. Let me send it through again, quick. Again, it's fell off.